Class 10, today I am going to start very short answer. Question number A1, it is given. Please open your book and read the question. If 3x equals to cosec alpha and 3 by x equals to cot alpha, then the value of 3x square minus 1 by x square. They are asking this value, 3x square minus 1 by x square, and this one is given to you. Then how you will solve this one? You know there is a relationship between cosec and cot. Relationship is, we know that cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha equals to 1. Okay, this is the relationship. Okay, now cosec alpha value is 3x, so you can write 3x whole square minus cot alpha value is 3 by x. Okay, now 3 square will give you 9x square. 3 square again 9 by x square. Now you can take 3 and 9 as a common from up. So if you will take 9 common, it will become x square minus 1 by x square equals to 1. You got x square minus 1 by x square. But here we need 3 also. So if we will break this 9 into 3, so we will get 3 into 3 x square minus 1 by x square equals to 1. Now 1 3 will come down, it will become 3x square minus 1 by x square equals to 1 by 3. Understood? Why? Because we need the value of 3x square minus 1 by x square. And here we have 9. So I am breaking this 9 into 2, 3. 1 3 I am taking down and 1 3 I am keeping as it is. So I am taking 3x square minus y by 3x square minus 1 by x square equals to 1 by 3. So this one is your value. Okay. So which option will be correct? C option will be correct. Okay. Complete this one. Class 10, question number 9A3. It is given tan alpha plus cot alpha equals to 2. Find tan to the power 13 alpha plus cot to the power 13 alpha. This one how you will do? You will convert cot to tan. Means cot alpha is nothing. Cot is 1 by tan. So I am converting this cot to tan. Now I will take LCM, which is tan alpha. It will become tan square alpha plus 1, because here we have nothing. So tan alpha divided by 1, tan alpha into tan alpha, tan square alpha, plus tan alpha divided by tan alpha 1 into 1, 1. Now tan square alpha plus 1. This tan will go, it will multiply 2 tan alpha. Then tan square alpha, I am taking plus 2 tan alpha, it will become minus 2 tan alpha plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now you have to take that number so that after addition 2 will come and after multiplication 1 will come. So 1 ones are 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Tan square alpha minus multiply minus plus minus 1 into tan alpha again minus plus minus tan alpha plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now from this two you have to take common. Tan alpha will be common. So tan alpha minus 1 left. Here nothing is common, only minus 1 is common. When you are taking minus common, sign will change. Okay. It will become tan alpha minus 1. Tan alpha minus. So you will do either or. Either tan alpha minus 1 equals to 0. Tan alpha equals to 1. Or tan alpha minus 1 equals to 0. Tan alpha to 1. Means in both the cases you are getting tan alpha value 1. If tan is 1, what will be cot? Cot alpha you know, cot is 1 by tan. Okay. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. Cot also you are getting 1. So tan alpha and cot alpha both you are getting 1. I am writing this portion. Now they are asking value of tan power 13 alpha plus cot power 13 alpha. Tan alpha value you got 1 power 13 plus cot alpha again you got 1 1 power 13, 1 power 13, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, if you have 1 as a power, then value will come 1 into 1 plus 1 2. Complete this one. Now class 10, see question number A4. It is large. Okay, it is very complicated also. Please read the question. If sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0 and sec theta plus cosec theta equals to x, then the value of x. Two things are given to you. Sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, sec theta plus cosec theta equals to x, and they are asking value of x. So first what I am doing, I am taking sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0 and I am squaring both sides. Okay, so what I have written squaring both sides, so I am doing sin theta minus cos theta whole square equals to 0 square. 0 square will give you 0. Now formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 0. Now plus 1 will go that side, will become minus 1. Minus minus will cancel out. So sin theta cos theta equals to 1. This 2 will go down. It will become 1 by 2. Means sin theta cos theta we are getting 1 by 2. This type of sums we have done already up to here, I think so. Now sec theta plus cosec theta equals to x. It is given to you. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Sin and cos theta value LCM will be sin theta cos theta. Now this sin theta cos theta divide with cos theta. So cos theta will cancel out and you will get only sin theta. So sin theta into 1 sin theta. Again sin theta cos theta will divide with sin theta. So sin theta will cancel out and cos theta into 1 cos theta. Now sin theta plus cos theta I am writing as it is. I am taking this sin theta cos theta this side. It will become x sin theta cos theta. Now we know what is the value of sin theta cos theta? Half. It means it will become x by 2, means 2 will come down, means 1 by 2. If you will write x into 1 by 2, it will come x 1 is x, so x by 2. Okay. Now again squaring both sides of this term, you will get sin theta plus cos theta whole square equals to x by 2 whole square. You have to break it into formula. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to x square will give you x square, 2 square will give you 4. Okay. After that, what you will do, I am doing this portion. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus 2 and sin theta cos theta value is half. Okay, equals to x square by 4. Okay, understood? Only I am writing the values. Okay. Now 2 ones are cancelled. 1 plus 1 equals to x to the power 4. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 2 and this 4 will come here, it will become 8. X square equals to 8. But we need x value, not x square value. So what we will do, x equals to root over 8. Now you know if you will break 8, you will get 2 into 2 into 2. You can take pair of 2 and you can take this 2 outside and 1 root 2 will be inside. Okay, so value is x equals to 2 root 2. Okay, complete this one. Class 10, see question number 9A5. It is written 2 cos 3 theta equals to 1. They are asking find the value of theta. Okay, so how I will do this one? First, cos 3 theta I will write as it is 1. This 2 will come down, it will become 1 by 2. Now see, angle is 3 theta and you have cos theta. Means you have to convert this value into cos. When you have half value, when you will take degree, means 30 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, plus 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree or 0 degree. When go to that chart, you can see that in that chart that in cos 60 degree value is half. So in place of 1 by 2, I can write cos 60 degree. Because we need only theta value, not cos. So I have to remove cos. That is in place of half, I am writing cos 60 degree. Now see, cos will nullify and you will get 3 theta equals to 60 degree. Theta equals to 60 degree by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So theta equals to 20 degree. Value of theta equals to 20 degree. Copy this one. Now see class 10, true false. If 0 degree is less than equals to alpha is less than 90 degree, then the least value of sec square alpha plus cos square alpha is 2. Means you have to solve this one, sec square alpha plus cos square alpha. Okay, is means equals to sine. Okay, then sec alpha is nothing but cos alpha. Since we have square, I have to give square. 1 minus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha equals to 2. Now take the LCM, it will become cos square alpha 1 plus cos to the power 4 alpha. It is 4 alpha. Okay, because power will increase. Cos square alpha divided with 1, it will give you cos square alpha, and cos square alpha multiplied with cos square alpha, it will give you cos power 4 alpha. Okay, now this 2 will go that side, it will become 2 cos square alpha. I am taking this 2 here, it will become minus 2 cos square alpha. Then I am taking middle term, and after taking middle term I am getting either or cos alpha equals to 1 and cos alpha equals to 1. If I am getting some value of cos, then I can say that it is true. That is why in this question answer will be true. Copy this. Class 10, 9b2. Question is cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree into dot cos 90 degree equals to 1. They are asking. They are asking that the value of given cos 0 degree, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree into dot cos 90 degree is 1. They are asking that after solving this one you will get 1. So you have to find the answer. Okay. So I have written this one. Now what is the value of cos 90 degree? Go to the chart and you can see cos 90 degree value is 0. Means 0 multiplied with all will give you 0 only, because you know that 0, whenever 0 will multiply with any number you will get only 0. So you are getting 0. But they are saying that is 1. It is 1. No. That is why answer will be false. Okay. Class 10. See fill in the blanks. Question number C1. The value of 4 by sec square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta plus 3 sin square theta is dash. You have to write the value of this one. Now how you will do? You all know that sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. If you will change these places, you can write cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta. Okay, only what I am doing, I am writing cos theta here and I am taking sec theta here. So in place of cos theta, I can write 1 by sec theta. You can see it is 4 into 1. If there is nothing, it means 1. Sec square theta. So 1 by sec is sec theta. 1 by sec theta we can write cos theta. That is why I will write here cos theta. Okay. Now this one 1 plus cot square theta. You know there is a relationship between cot and cosec. That cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Now you want 1 plus cot square theta. So you will take minus cot square theta that side. It will become cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta. Means in place of 1 by sec theta, you can write cos theta, first one, and in place of 1 plus cot square theta, you can write cosec square theta. Okay, so I will write here. So 1 I will write as it is, 1 plus cot square theta. In place of 1 plus cot square theta, I can write cosec square theta plus 3 sin square theta. Here it is 1 by sec square, so I can write 4 cos square theta. Means place of 1 by sec theta I am writing cos theta, and we have square, that is why I am giving square. Okay, plus now same thing, you know that cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Now change the places of this and this, it will become sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta. It means in place of 1 by cosec theta you can write sin theta. Okay, plus 3 sin square theta, 4 cos square theta. Sin theta plus 3 sorry, here you have square. Sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta will give you 4 sin square theta. Now what is common? 4 common, you can write common, and you can write cos square theta plus sin square theta. And you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So 4 into 1, you will get 4 answer. Okay. So in blank, what you will write? Answer 4. Okay. Complete this one. Class 10, see question number C2. It is written, if sin theta minus 30 degree equals to 1 by 2, then let the value of cos theta is. Okay, they are asking cos theta value, but we don't know what is the value of theta. If you know that value of theta is 30 degree, you can put cos 30 degree and you can write the value from that chart. Okay, so first of all, using this one, sin theta minus 30 degree equals to half, you have to find the value of theta. So sin theta minus 30 degree, when you have half value in terms of sin, in sin 30 degree value is half. Now sin will nullify, you will get theta minus 30 degree equals to 30 degree. This minus 30 degree will come this side, it will become plus, and you will get theta equals to 60 degree. Okay. Now they are asking cos theta value. Means cos in place of theta you will put 60 degree. So cos 60 degree equals to 1 by half. This is the answer. Now in the second question, it is the third question, it is given, if cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to half, then the value of cos 4 theta, cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta is dash. Okay. So what is given to you? Cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to half, and they are asking value of this. So cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. You know the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Suppose that you have 4 here, then what it will happen? Power is 4. Then what you will do? First you will write a square whole square minus b square whole square. Then you will write a square plus b square, a square minus b square. Same thing I am doing here. So I am first writing cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A is cos square and b is sin square theta. And you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta will give you 1. Cos square theta minus sin square theta value already given 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 ones are 1 and 2, 1 by 2. Answer is half. Your homework is question number 9A2. It is same as 9A1. Okay, same thing you have to do. And question number 10, 1 to 5. You have to do question number 10, 1 to 5. This is your homework. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Any queries, where you will ask? In the given email ID, nilofer.sma@outlook.com. Okay, thank you.